Good day everybody, it's Dr. A back in the garden, and I want to show you a plant that people seem to like because it flowers for a long period of time. In zone 7-ish and south it's perennial, and it has great wonderful attributes. However, it's a bloody weed. This is called Mexican Petunia. Sometimes Texas Petunia, and what I'm showing you now is kind of almost finished flowering, but it is spectacularly beautiful, but it'll be invasive in your garden. The black stems are pretty, the beautiful flowers are lovely, but remember, it is Ruellia and it can get out of hand. However, I will also add there are some really cool dwarf or shorter cultivars now on the market, which I would have in my garden. Enjoy. Come see us in beautiful Athens, Georgia. Take a look at the app. Armitage's great garden plant.